Hi friends, today I'm going to introduce World UFO Day. World UFO Day is the day dedicated to the existence of unidentified flying objects. The first World UFO Day was celebrated in 2001 by UFO researchers Haktan Akdogan. World UFO Day is 2nd of July. Why do we celebrate World UFO Day? There are several reasons why this day has found its way into the world. One of the first and foremost reasons is to raise awareness about the undoubted existence of UFOs, and with that intelligent beings from outer space. Also, this day is used to encourage governments to declassify their knowledge about sightings throughout the history. Many governments, the US government for instance, are believed to have gained exclusive information about UFOs through their military departments. A subject that still raises a lot of curiosity is the Roswell incident in 1947 when a believed UFO crashed in Roswell, New Mexico. Where can celebrate World UFO Day? People are known for looking at the sky together during this day and doing other UFO-themed activities. For instance, watching UFO movies together, even meditate in groups on the subject. The most important thing is that people collectively open their minds to the subject for one day and send out the message mentally that UFOs are welcome on this earth. When is World UFO Day? In the past there were 2 days that were called World UFO Day. July 2nd and the 24th of June. The WFODO, World UFO Day Organization, declared July 2nd to be the official World UFO Day. This was done to eliminate any confusion. This act leads people to celebrate in large numbers on one day instead of small groups during 2 separate days. You can get good knowledge about World UFO Day. Visit this website. This is interface of worldUFOday.com. You can see UFO news. Let's see what is UFO. These are UFO-shaped buildings. UFO photograph collection. Alien makeup and space makeup. The best top-rated alien and UFO movies. Here is a small collection of top-rated alien and UFO movies for you to watch during World UFO Day. Paul, 2011. The Day the Earth Stood Still, 1951. The Day the Earth Stood Still, 2008. Alien vs. Predator, 2004. Close Encounters of the Third Kind, 1977. You can see World UFO Day events, how to celebrate World UFO Day, mission and vision, World UFO Day poster. If you like this video and please subscribe, don't forget to click bell icon. Any doubts comment here. See you in next video.